Hi, hello, and welcome to Mr. Biomedical. And this video we are going to see about the electric cart repair. As you can see, the plug is in, but the cart is not responding. The company is Paramount, and as you can see, there's no indication. So we'll see how to repair this one. First step is you have to check the power cable, and in this case power cable is good. So I'm just directly going to the main board, which is inside, you can see. And there is a lot of connections. You have to aware of that one, and you have to connect it clearly. If you don't have any idea, just mark the connectors with what connectors with what. So as you can see, there's a lot of connectors, there's a lot of color codes, there's a remote and everything. So you should mark that one, so that you can't forget that one, because a lot of time the people will make a mistake about they will be putting the different connectors to the different points. Okay, so in this case I'm mentioning like numbers, as the port is having the number like 1 to 8. Okay, so after the repair, I connected the power cable uh, into the console, and let's see the voltage. And here we should get the 30 volt in the red and black connection. Okay, so I will check. See, I'm putting, don't short it out, because the board was already shorted, and just repaired it, and you can see that 30 volt is coming. So the board is fine, board is good now, and we can refix everything, and it will work. Yeah. Now I connected everything into the place clearly, and let's connect it to the main source, and let's see the result. As you can see, the light is green, and the buttons are also working, and everything is working. So as you can see, the functions are working. So for more videos you have to subscribe, and if you have any question, comment below, and we'll do something else in the next video. See you soon.